Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this tutorial, we're going to explore how to move your Google Slide Deck presentations to another location in your Drive. So I've got this Google Slide Deck open, and maybe I just opened it in my root Drive folder. It's not organized, but I need to make sure that I have access to it when I'm dealing with other specific files, maybe in context in another folder. So I can click on File, and if I select Move, I can then tell Google Drive where to move this file. So either I can move it to a subfolder from the one it's already in, or I can back out and find the appropriate folder somewhere else. And then when I've got that correct folder selected, I can tell it to move it there. I can even create a new folder and then move it to that folder, all within this process. So if you've got a slide deck open, it's not organized, and you want to make sure that it stays organized when you're done, you can move that directly from within the slide deck editing tab in Chrome.